देखो, whenever you have to analyze this kind of complex graph, what you can do is talk about three things. What are the three things? What are the things which are increasing? What are the options which are decreasing? And
And
what are the
constant.
options which remain constant? All right. So these are the three things you should focus on and try to start from the bigger one to the smaller one. You can even create a table like this. Like you can say that teacher's salary, like if I look at this 81, 91, and 2001. So 81, 91, 2001. Okay, so teacher's salary goes from 40 to 50 to 45. So 40 to 50 to 45. Then the next big thing I see is this one, which is other workers' salary. So other workers' salary moves from 28 to 22. थब मेरा help करो. 28 to 22 to other workers' salary 15, you know.
Yeah.
And if you talk about the third thing, which is resources and books, yeah, so what I see is 15, 20, and 9. 15, 20, and 9. Okay. So this kind of trend is there. Now, what is this trend? Sometimes increases, sometimes this is a fluctuating trend, right? And what is
Hmm.
the overall thing? From 40 it has gone with overall increase, right? So this is a fluctuating trend. So as far as teachers' salary is concerned, it constitutes the major part of the pie. Full stop. It shows a fluctuating pattern where it was at 28%. No, where it was at 40% initially, but rose to 45% by the year da da da. So see what I'm doing. I'm not talking about moving to 40, 50% and 45%. ये 50% को cover करने के लिए मैंने बोल दिया कि it is showing a fluctuating pattern, and then I just spoke about the first and the last figures. It was at 40% at the beginning and 45% at the end. So this is how you can do comparisons, you know. See, whenever you write about the graph, there are three things you are supposed to do. You are supposed to talk about trends, comparisons, and highlights, right?
Yeah.
So here, this is the major thing, and it is showing this kind of pattern. Like this, you can talk about. So you can make a table of all the objects here, and you can mark them whether it's showing a flux. Like this is a constantly falling trend. So as
Yeah.
far as other workers' salary is concerned, it shows. So जो भी fluctuating वाले हैं उनको एक साथ ले लो तो ना clubbing करना आसान हो जाएगा, right? The heads which show a fluctuating trend are this, and so when you write about all these things, you will get to see. Like if I talk about furniture, it is also showing a fluctuating trend, right? So
Yeah.
furniture is also so furniture. So जो fluctuating है उनको एक साथ ले लो, right? So furniture also shows a fluctuating trend with an overall increase. So इसमें आप comparison का मौका मिल जाएगा. I told you comparison is when two things are either similar or dissimilar. Even if the two things are similar, you can compare them. तेरी शर्ट भी सफेद मेरी शर्ट भी सफेद is also a comparison, right? Oh, तेरी शर्ट सफेद मेरी शर्ट काली is also a comparison where you are
Yeah.
either establishing similarity or dissimilarity. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can. So here what you'll do is you'll make this kind of table, talk about the things which are of similar nature in terms of trend together. Like you can say that teacher's salary as well as what was the
Resources and books.
resources and books showed a fluctuating trend along with furniture. So the three heads which showed a fluctuating trend are these, and what kind of pattern are they showing? You can talk about that. Yeah, that's how you can club the information and present it in a nice way. Talk about the most important head first and the least one later. Rest of the things you already know, right? Those
Yeah.
the basic stuff related to writing intro and everything else is something you already know, right? This was test two. So if you go to this particular document, all these answers are already there, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, the all that you need to do is just study it once and rewrite it and send it back to me. So you would have a clear idea. ये वाला था ना ये story.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, this document it has got all the answers. I've kind of moderated them with the right words and content. Just have to use it and rewrite it. The main point to note is that salaries, teachers' salary per other workers' salary constituted more than 50% of the pie. So इसमें salary सबसे बड़ा है. While the teacher's salary showed a fluctuating trend with an overall increase of 5%, semicolon, other workers' salary showed a falling trend, sliding from 28% to 15%. So these kind of words and phrases will make a lot of sense, right? And it shows that we are clubbing information. Further, it is interesting to note that so like this, the whole thing is explained in a nice way. Just study it once, how it is clubbed. But yeah, you know the background story now, how the information is clubbed and how do you structure it. Yeah,
Yes.
this is how you're supposed to write about these kind of pie charts, where you get a lot of information and you're supposed to summarize and present it in an easy way.
Okay.
Okay, any other question you have?
That's it.
Great.